cover that can be installed in minutes and removed just as easily? Check out the TonnoFold from Tonno. It's a soft folding truck bed cover that shields your cargo from the elements, and when you lock your tailgate, you add an extra level of security. This cover arrives completely assembled and installs in minutes and without the need for any tools on most truck beds. If you need to make room for taller cargo, just open the tailgate, unlatch the cover, and fold it to the cab. Once it's secured with the included straps, you're ready to drive with 2/3 of the bed uncovered. If you need full open access, just undo the attached clamps and the cover comes right off. The TonnoFold is made in the USA and backed by a limited lifetime warranty. We ship it for free to the lower 48 states, so if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online. Well, if you found that to be useful, give us a like and make sure you subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our new projects and builds. And to be notified every time we release new content, make sure to ring that bell.